Hello, kids! Welcome to Vocabulary by Planet Spark YouTube channel. Daily Routine Words Quiz. 15 fun questions. Question 1. What do we do first in the morning? Wake up, play, study. The correct answer, wake up. Awesome job, kids! Question 2. What do we do to clean our teeth? Eat, brush, play. The correct answer, brush. Awesome job, kids! Question 3. What do we do when we are hungry? Brush, study, eat. The correct answer, eat. Awesome job, kids! Question 4. What do we do at school to learn new things? Study, play, brush. The correct answer, study. Awesome job, kids! Question 5. What do kids love to do with toys and games? Study, play, brush. The correct answer, play. Awesome job, kids! Question 6. After waking up, what do we usually do to clean our teeth? Play, eat, brush. The correct answer, brush. Awesome job, kids! Question 7. When it is lunchtime, what do we do? Eat, study, wake up. The correct answer is eat. Awesome job, kids! Question 8. What do we do in class with books and notebooks? Brush, play, study. The correct answer is study. Awesome job, kids! Question 9. What do children do in the playground? Study, play, brush. The correct answer is play. Awesome job, kids! Question 10. What do we do when the alarm rings in the morning? Play, wake up, eat. The correct answer is wake up. Awesome job, kids! Question 11. Which word belongs with breakfast and lunch? Eat, study, play. The correct answer is eat. Awesome job, kids! Question 12. Which word belongs with school and homework? Eat, study, play. The correct answer is study. Awesome job, kids! Question 13. Which word belongs with toys and games? Brush, play, eat. The correct answer is play. Awesome job, kids! Hey, superstar! Ready to show how strong your words power is? Ask Mama and Papa to book your vocabulary challenge below. Question 14. Which word belongs with toothbrush and toothpaste? Study, brush, wake up. The correct answer is brush. Awesome job, kids! Question 15. Which word starts our day in the morning? Study, play, wake up. The correct answer is wake up. Awesome job, kids!
Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker.
Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today.